Types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning, reinforcement learning. I am Arun Solomania. Welcome to my channel. Supervised learning. In simple words, we can say that the model that gets trained on a labeled dataset. That means the dataset contains input and output parameters. There are two types of supervised learning: regression and classification. Regression is used where the output value is continuous value. For example, we can take a house price prediction dataset that contain input features like area, number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, and so on. And the output feature is price. So in this, we use regression algorithm to find the price of the house. Classification. Classification supervised learning is used where the output value is defined as a label. For example, we can take email spam detection where the input is the email and the output we need to get is spammed and unspammed mail. Unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is a technique of learning where we doesn't give a target to the model while training the model. Hence, we train the model with input parameters only. In this, the model by itself has to find the way to learn about the dataset. There are two types of unsupervised learning: clustering and association. Clustering. Clustering is used to find natural clusters from the given dataset. For example, we can take the loan giving method used in banks. They uses clustering technique to find out the customers who will buy the loan and will be able to give back the loan amount. Association. Association technique is about discovering interesting relationship between variables in a large dataset. For example, people that buy a new home most likely to buy new furnitures. The term descriptive analysis and predictive analysis are used for unsupervised learning and supervised learning. Semi-supervised learning. Semi-supervised learning is an approach to machine learning that combines a small amount of labeled dataset with a large amount of unlabeled dataset during training. Semi-supervised learning is a combination of unsupervised learning and supervised learning. For example, if a dataset contains few data with labeled data and rest is unlabeled data, then a machine learning method is used to find the labels of the unlabeled dataset, and after that the full dataset is used to predict using a machine learning algorithm. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is far different when compared to supervised and unsupervised learning, where we can easily see the relationship between supervised and unsupervised learning. This machine learning technique enables an agent to learn an interactive environment by trial and error, using the feedback from it and learn by itself from the actions and experience. If you like this video, please like and share this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you all. Happy learning.